I've just been looking at my videos on YouTube, trying to find a lock that I've not picked open on camera. Now this one, I have actually picked it open on camera, but when I did it, I had it clamped in the vise, and I had a screwdriver, and I was just forcing the screwdriver on the curtain and using that to tension it. And I came off the top of the screwdriver with a wire, and I picked it open. But I was looking at the levers at the time, because underneath that tape you can see the levers. So I thought today I'd just pick it in my hand without looking at the levers. Now this is an ERA Viscount. It all works as it should. There's 5 levers in there, they've all got false gates. Now this is a 7 gauge lock, obviously a 7 gauge key. For those what don't know, a 7 gauge is actually smaller diameter than a 5 gauge. So most of my tension tools won't fit in there, because most of the locks I've got a 5 gauge. So yeah, the higher the number, the smaller the diameter. So this was a 5 gauge key. So I've just folded it down, you can see, look, it's all rough. Sometimes I confuse myself. So yeah, it all works now. So what we'll do is we'll pick it open, and then we'll just have a quick look at the levers. So put your wire in, put your tension on, and then just go through them levers. Lever 4 is quite low, so you've got to work your wire underneath lever 4. And there you go, we've got it open. So it's not an hard lock to open, but yeah, nevertheless, it's an open. So we'll open it up, and we'll just have a quick look at the levers and see what we've got inside. So I'll just rest it on here a minute while I just open it up. Try to do it as quick as I can, because I know nobody really likes to see me drag on doing screws and messing about. So there we go, them are the levers inside. Now I've been told in the past you can't overlift, get my words out, I've been told in the past you can't overlift these, because the bolt, if you see how the bolt slopes down, that prevents you lifting all the levers up, because they catch onto that bolt. Don't know how true that is, correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what I've always been led to believe. Because the bolt's tapered, you can't overlift them. So let's have a quick look at the levers. Let me just use my wire to get these springs off, because that's my problem. I try to do it with my big fat fingers and I can never do it. So that's your first lever, false gate in the bottom. Second lever, false gate in the top. Third lever, false gate in the top. Let me just put them in the right position so you can see them. Fourth lever, false gate in the bottom. And fifth lever, false gate in the top. So yeah, that's it. That's a ERA Viscount picked and gutted. And that's it for now. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try it a bit.